Okay, so what this tutorial is going to be on is how to set up for a composite restoration. First things first, we're going to go over the instruments. The first instrument is a dental mouth mirror. The second instrument is a explorer. The third instrument is a cotton plier. These three items are also called a basic setup. Now next we have a spoon excavator. Now a spoon excavator is used to manually remove decay. So when the doctor goes in with a high-speed handpiece and he gets a lot of decay out, he will also go in with a contra angle handpiece, right, which is a slow speed. And that also helps remove the remaining decay. Now this right here is a condenser. A condenser is used to compress the dental material. The burnisher is used to polish, to smooth out the composite. So that burnisher goes in and they smooth it out. This is what this is. It's called a football burnisher. Okay. Next we have a carver. A carver is used to go in around the interproximal areas and remove material. Okay. We have a articulating forceps. This is where we put articulating paper in there, which I will show you later. And what it does is check to make sure the occlusion is good, to make sure all the teeth are hitting at the same time and that the thing is not high. They're not biting high on the filling. Now, this here is a curing light. What this does is it hardens the material. A curing light is used to harden the material. When you hit the light, it turns blue, like that. But you always have to have protective glasses when you're using that. All right, next we have a composite gun. This is a composite gun. This right here is actually the tube that the composite comes in. So we take it and we snap it in. And this is how we use it. We press it and the material comes out. See, the composite comes out as you compress it, okay? Also, we have pretty much a cavity liner. It's called Limelight. We have flowable, which is a composite material. It's a thinner composite material. You don't have to compress this type of material. That's why it's called flowable. That's optional if the doctor wants to use that. This is called etchant. Etchant is used to seal the dental tubules. This is called etchant. Okay? So what we're going to do on the next go round is we're going to go over how to set up a anesthetic syringe.